How to deal with technical debt. So for everyone in all of our jobs, we come into contact with technical debt. Sometimes we help create technical debt. It's always a very crucial part of our roles. It's usually discussed, and obviously in an ideal world, we'd like to have no technical debt, but that is not feasible and it's not realistic. So let's talk about 4 ways to deal with technical debt. First one is to right size your improvements. So usually we want to do the best job that we can, and we think about eliminating technical debt and doing a gold-plated solution. So what I'm saying is bring that back to what is the next small improvement that we can do in something that's already running, and focus on right sizing that next improvement that can be quite small, and almost the smaller the better, because then you can chip away at it over time and improve it along the way. Second one is decentralize it. So sometimes we want to have some time where we stop all work and we focus on fixing technical debt, and then we start work again. That's very difficult to do. But what we can do is do the first step, right size the improvements, and then decentralize them. So put them into the roadmaps, into sprints, into multiple projects, and then that way a lot of people get to work in small increments over time. So it's decentralized, and then the improvements continue to happen over time. The third one is something that I've found really useful. And it's to create a common language around technical debt. So sometimes it's very difficult to describe the pain that technical debt creates for technical teams. And sometimes it's very difficult to convey the impact that technical debt is having. So one of the things that we did was have different levels where we are able to explain and refer all of our projects and technical solutions back to these levels. And the levels can be level 1, it's something that needs to be run manual, and it takes a long time every time. Level 2, it's something that is manual, but it takes less time. Level 3 is a click of a button. Level 4, it's scheduled. And level 5, there's a trigger that kicks it off. So you can talk about those levels. And in this case, and I should have said this earlier, is that the key point is to define where your key pain point is in order to develop this common language. So in the levels that I just described, the key pain point is the time that it's taking the technical teams to continually maintain or babysit this particular solution. So in the levels that we described was based on the time that it takes the technical team, and that's something that then we can peg our projects and our initiatives back to these levels. So developing a common language is a really good way to get to convey the impact that it has on the technical teams, and also give the business people a bit of a roadmap on the maturity that this solution could get to. And the fourth one is to sell it. So a lot of people work with business stakeholders directly. Sometimes we work in sprints. We have product owners or product managers, and we do have to sell a bit the benefits of fixing technical debt, knowing that there's not going to be a sprint that focuses only on technical debt, and that we have to do the steps before. But right sizing it, decentralizing it, developing a common language, and focusing on selling it is going to help you take steps to improve the technical debt that is in your organizations today. Hopefully this is useful. Comment and let me know what you found it. Let me know what else you do for technical debt. Tag somebody that would find this useful, and come back to the next video. See you then.